Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locating what is actually playing the message. This matters because system prompts versus app prompts are handled differently. First, open Settings and note your iOS version. Once done, scan Control Center for screen recording and look through installed call recording apps. Make sure to check app permissions, microphone, and background refresh, because disabling them stops apps from intercepting calls. This quick triage tells you whether to remove an app, revoke permissions, or adjust system settings next. Now you take action. Revoke access and remove the recording agent. Go to Settings Privacy Microphone and switch off any app you don't trust. Then check Background App Refresh and disable it for those same apps because they can run in the background. Next, uninstall the call recording app and, if present, remove its call directory extension in Settings. Also remove the screen recording control from Control Center. Once done, the app won't be able to announce that message during calls. Finish by restarting your iPhone so the permission and app changes take effect. Once rebooted, place a test call to confirm the prompt is gone. If the message still plays, make sure no paired Mac or iPad is running call recording software, and check with your carrier. Some carriers append automated recording prompts. If nothing else works, reset network settings, and as a final measure back up and perform a factory reset. This clears stubborn configurations, but only use it after testing everything else.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.